What's going on, everyone? I am Who's Your Daddy, and welcome to Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Demo. This is my first ever YouTube video regarding gaming, and I am super excited to try this out. The only games I've ever played were Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. I think that's the game that I remember playing, but as far as anything else, I never played any other Resident Evil game. So this will be like my first, or not first, second. It'll be my second Resident Evil game. Understanding that it's just a demo, I think I'm going to have a blast with this. So let's go ahead and just start the game. Oh, whoops. Press the wrong button. Good start. Let's do main story, because that's the only thing that we can do. Start new game. I'm so excited. I don't play scary games.
30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky.
There's a nuke.
I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
This honestly looks so good. Oh my god. It's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as a U.S. special agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe, where intel suggests the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Woo! Oh, we're jumping right into it. Okay. I'm so nervous. Let's see what's taking so long. Can we go through here? No, we cannot. It's a straight shot, I think. Oh my god. Okay, we can run. So like I said, I've never played this. When it first came out, I think in like the PS3, if I'm not mistaken. No. Oh. Oh, the deer. Okay, we're gonna walk away from that. You know what? I think he'll survive. Crouch. Oh my god. Is there anything over here? I don't think so. What about this way? Nope. Okay, so I guess we just go into this house. Hello? Anyone here? Oh,
Anyone home?
Oh, well. Thanks for taking my line, Leon. Well, I don't think I should go that way. There's a bed. Whoa. Judgment is nicht. Whoa. Didn't think he was gonna fucking open the shit out of that door. There's a key. We need a key. What about here? Hello? I see there's a bunch of bear traps. Okay. And we got a cutscene. Oh.
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
There's a dead cop somewhere. Oh shit! Oh my god. Oh my god, Jesus Christ.
This is not good.
Oh my god, he just smacked the shit out of him. What's this? Okay, yeah. National Police Corps, Mario Fernandez Castaño, police officer. Okay. We'll go ahead and just leave that on the floor. What is this? Oh, we came from this. Okay. Is there anything over here, though? Like some secrets?
Man, that stinks.
Oh my god! Oh my god, oh god, okay, I don't want to look at that. Get me out of here! Key! Come on, open the door, Leon. Oh my god, I don't know if this is supposed to happen or not. Is that a corpse? No, that's just an animal. Well, it's still a corpse, but still. Another cutscene?
Hey,
Oh my god, it's another cop. Oh my...
I read you. What's your situation?
And he's gone.
What the hell's going on?
Where do I go now? Escape from the Hunter's Lodge. Ready weapon. Oh, okay. Okay, we can aim now. We can use the gun.
What was that?
I'm so scared.
No
Oh.
way.
Fuck! Oh my god! Yeah!
This just keeps getting worse.
Oh my god. Ooh, sit down, old man. Oh my god. He's not following me, right? Something's happening. Do I go in here? Oh my god! Okay, you know what? I think I should just leave. You're kidding. Oh my god. Can I use a... Where's my knife? I thought I had a knife. Oh god. Yeah! Bitch! Yeah! Gotta make sure that you're fucking dead. Wait, what the fuck? I actually can't go through there? Where am I supposed to go? Oh. Leon, why are you holding the gun? You got no ammo. But okay, we're safe for now. We're okay. There's a map.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are. Gotta go. Talk later.
Oh my god.
I'll let myself out.
Oh my god, I can't even imagine how it's gonna be in the actual game. Especially with the PS5 graphics. Oh my god. It's the wind. Can I like heal? Because I'm like halfway close to dying. There's got to be some health. They have to add something like that in the demo. Yeah. Ooh. How do you reload? There you go. I figured it out. There's something else. And a typewriter. We can't typewrite. Gunpowder, okay. Do you have to craft? Okay, whatever. It's fine. I will figure it out. Oh, there's a wolf. Oh no. I hear someone. More ammo. I wonder why they're giving me a lot of ammo. That guy just ran. I just saw someone run. Yeah. Give me that. Pesetas. Fuck yeah. 150? I'm fucking rich. Oh. What the fuck? Hey, money. Oh my god! Oh fuck! I didn't think it was behind me. Oh yeah! Oh wait! Whoops! 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 Shank his ass. Hey, gunpowder. I did not think they were gonna fucking ambush me like that. I heard a grunt. I'm really fucking nervous. I don't know what's coming after this. Oh, 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 fuck. I did not think that was gonna happen.
Damn it.
Was that supposed to happen? What's in here? Oh, oh god. I missed. Fuck you, bitch! Yeah! Hey, money. Ooh, a red herb. We might need that. And a flash grenade. Handgun. Oh my god. Okay, okay. I can't reload? Oh, okay. Wait. I know you can craft. There has to be a way to craft. Oh, okay. Here. Setting weapon shortcuts. You can set a weapon to a shortcut by selecting the weapon in the items menu. Okay. Update your weapons can be assigned. Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's just a demo. Can I use this? I can't. Ooh, I have a spray bottle. And this is also like all the things you can craft. Oh well. Oh well. I guess now I gotta look at the fucking floor. That way I don't get bear trapped again. Oh my god. This door is fucking heavy. What is this? I can zoom? Oh! Shit. Oh. Oh, fuck. Okay. Is this something I can use? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. How do I do this again? Okay. I can, okay, yes. Perfect. I should probably use it though. To get full health. Okay, nice. They're just praising the fire? That chicken is not moving. Yeah! More handgun. Okay. Resources. Did that chicken just attack the shit out of me? What can I craft with this? Oh, I need one more handgun, and I can get more ammo. Oh my god, there's so much stuff. Okay, I got some. 32 bullets? Oh my god, why do I have so many? What's gonna happen? I'm so nervous. Oh, okay. You know what? I think this is the only way I can go. Fuck it.
Here we go.
Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Yeah. Money. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh my god! Oh fuck! There's someone right behind me. Oh my god! I'm getting pushed. I just cornered myself. I literally fucked myself. Yeah. Oh fuck! Oh god! I gotta manually reload this. What's happening? What the fuck? He has a whole chainsaw. Oh my god. Ow. 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 Reload. Reload. Fuck you, lady. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh fuck. Fuck you, bitch. Okay, okay. Let's use this. And then. Flashbang! Yeah! Oh, I can hit him! I can hit him! I can hit him! Yeah! Melee, bitch! He went down that easy? Oh, fuck no. Of course he didn't. Ow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah! What the fuck? Oh! Oh, I don't have a knife. I don't have a knife. I don't have a knife. Oh my god, there's so many! Oh. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! How long does this last for? Fuck you, chicken. Can I like dodge? Ah! No! Fuck! God, get the fuck off me! How many do I have to kill? Oh, he's so far away. I thought it was like right on my ass. Yeah! Actually, he's gonna be on my ass. Okay, gotta run. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh shit, it did not last long. Okay, okay. Hey, money. Okay. Oh, no. Yeah! Get away. Yeah! This is easy. fuck! Oh god! Oh god! Why is there a dog? Why is... Oh, it's a cow. That's not a dog. That's a fucking cow. And he's gonna burn me! Oh my god! I'm trapped. I'm fucking trapped. I'm fucking trapped. What?
La campana. Hay que obedecerla.
Él nos invoca. Tenemos que servir.
What the fuck?
Sadler Todopoderoso.
That's it?
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Wow. Oh my god. That was so fucking fun. Oh my god. I killed 18? I didn't feel like I did that well. Oh my god. This has me really excited for the actual game. I don't know when it's coming out. I think 2 weeks? I read about it, but I didn't actually like put a lot of attention into it. But that demo was really good. And the chainsaw guy, oh my god, that was fucking amazing. What happens if I press continue? Where do we go from there? Thank you for playing. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Purchase the game. Oh, on the 24th. Yeah, so like, what day are we in? The 13th now? Yeah, in about 2 weeks. Wow, that was fucking awesome. I think that's it though. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That was fucking awesome. I actually can't wait for the actual game. I might actually do like a gameplay of that, or like a yeah, maybe like a walkthrough or some shit. I don't fucking know. But that was fucking awesome. And hopefully you guys fucking enjoyed this. Be sure to subscribe. Check out my other like channels. I got TikTok, whatever. It's all on my like profile. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you all on the next one. Peace out, y'all.